Okay, so we're trying something different today. We're gonna try an experiment. I have some leftover paper plates that have been cut in half. We have these left over in our art room, but you know, we don't like to waste things in here. So, since it is getting close to Thanksgiving, here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn this half a paper plate into a turkey. All right, I have a few crayons and I think I'm good to go. First thing I want to do is draw a circle right there in the middle. Then I'm going to draw a line going down and a line going down. I'm going to add an upside down triangle for my turkey's beak. And I don't want to forget this part of my turkey. Let me go ahead and add 2 dots for the eyes. We've got our turkey head, so it looks like we might not see the whole body, but we kind of see our turkey gobble gobble popping up, and we see his head, and we're going to see the back of the tail feathers. I'm going to color this in. Okay, so I see my sneaky turkey popping up. Now, I have a line in my paper plate right here that separates the smooth part from the bumpy part. I'm going to just trace over that line so I can divide the part where I'll have part of his body and his feathers. And I'm going to go ahead and color around this part kind of a brownish color. The lines on the paper plate kind of already help me and guide my fingers where to go. Okay, now that I have his head, I have part of the body. Now I'm going to go through these lines. I'm going to fill them with my finger, and I'm going to just trace over them line by line with my crayon. I find a line and I go over it with my crayon. Let me go all the way around. Awesome. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw some curve lines. Curve, 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 just like that. Now, I want to leave this part white, okay? But I'm going to color this part of his tail feathers a different color. The color that I have with me at my table that I have left is kind of this reddish orange. But if you have a black or different color, that would be okay too. I'm just going to color this because I'm trying to find something that will match, but that I can also tell a slight difference between his body color and the back tail feathers. So I'm going to go between this. This is where we have to be careful going between things, right? But that's why we had the lines to help guide us too. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to color all of this. And now we have our turkey. And if we wanted to, we could even staple a popsicle stick on the bottom, and we could go around and gobble gobble up our friends, right? And we could use them almost like puppets. So we'll see if we get to do that in class. But I just wanted to go over how we can be creative and repurpose this plate for Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.